This custom prime homes build was completed in 2021 and is situated in the highly sought-after subdivision, the Quarry. This split-bedroom ranch features an open concept with 3 bedrooms and 2 full baths. Entering through the inviting foyer, you'll notice tall ceilings throughout. The living room boasts a beautiful fireplace to keep you warm all winter long. And the heart of the home is the beautiful kitchen, complete with quartz countertops, a large island, stainless steel appliances, a butler's pantry, and an eat-in dining nook. This space is perfect for entertaining during the holidays. During busy seasons of life, you'll appreciate the dedicated laundry space with linen closet. Relax and unwind in the spacious primary suite with its own walk-in closet and an amazing ensuite. There's ample storage with 3 large closets throughout the home. Plus, an oversized 3-car garage and attic storage in the 3rd bay gives additional storage options. Not to be outdone by the interior, the exterior boasts private, fenced-in wooded lot with a cathedral-covered patio for reprieve from the weather, or an open patio extension to enjoy the weather on warm, sunny days. This home has been impeccably maintained, and all of the upgrades have already been completed. This is a move-in ready home and has your name on it. Call Candace Everidge for all the details.